Fashion studies is a multidisciplinary field that encompasses a wide range of academic disciplines, including anthropology, sociology, history, and cultural studies. Fashion studies examines the social, cultural, historical, and economic dimensions of fashion, as well as its impact on society, identity, and self-expression. The study of fashion is important because it provides insights into how fashion shapes and reflects cultural and social norms, values, and beliefs. One of the key benefits of fashion studies is that it can promote a deeper understanding of the cultural and social significance of fashion. By studying the historical and cultural contexts in which fashion products and trends emerged, scholars can gain insights into the ways in which fashion shapes and reflects cultural and social norms, values, and beliefs. This can help to create a more nuanced and informed understanding of the role of fashion in society and culture. Moreover, fashion studies can also promote diversity and inclusivity in the fashion industry. By examining the ways in which fashion reflects and shapes cultural and social identities, scholars can identify and promote fashion products and trends that celebrate diversity and promote social justice. This can help to create a more inclusive and diverse fashion industry that meets the needs and values of different communities. Furthermore, fashion studies can also promote innovation and creativity in the fashion industry. By examining the ways in which fashion products and trends reflect and shape cultural and social identities, scholars can identify and promote innovative and experimental fashion products that challenge traditional gender, cultural, and social norms. Additionally, fashion studies can provide a framework for experimentation and innovation, promoting new and sustainable materials and production techniques. However, fashion studies also faces challenges and limitations. One of the key challenges is the need for greater diversity and inclusivity in the fashion industry itself. While fashion studies can promote diversity and inclusivity in the industry, the fashion industry itself can often be dominated by a narrow group of designers, manufacturers, marketers, and critics, making it more difficult for diverse and underrepresented voices to be heard and recognized in the industry. Moreover, fashion studies may also face challenges related to the lack of funding and support for research and scholarship in the field. While fashion studies has grown in popularity in recent years, funding and support for research and scholarship in the field can be limited, particularly in certain regions and communities. This can make it more difficult for scholars to conduct research and publish their findings, limiting the impact and reach of fashion studies. In conclusion, fashion studies is a concept that can promote a deeper understanding of the cultural and social significance of fashion. Diversity and inclusivity, innovation and creativity, and education and awareness in the fashion industry. However, fashion studies also faces challenges related to diversity and inclusivity in the industry, funding and support for research, and scholarship, and the need for greater collaboration and cooperation in the industry. By promoting responsible and ethical fashion studies practices, we can help to create a more sustainable, equitable, and positive fashion industry for all. Another benefit of fashion studies in the industry is that it can promote the development of responsible and sustainable fashion practices. By examining the social, cultural, historical, and economic dimensions of fashion, scholars can identify the environmental and social impact of fashion products and trends, and promote responsible